Welcome to Inkstone Studio. I thought I would give a little introduction to the studio. I'm a writer and I'm working on a long form novel somewhat based on the book Lonesome Dove by Larry McMurtry. So I'm doing some copy work on Lonesome Dove while I'm writing this novel. It's going to be incredibly long by the time I'm through with it. I'm thinking that Lonesome Dove is going to top out around 350,000 words. As you can see, I'm at about 90,000 words on my novel this morning and 90,000 words on the copy work of Lonesome Dove. So I am typing this entire book by hand in addition to doing my writing. This channel is meant to be a bit of an art project for me, the channel itself. So it will not be optimized for the algorithm in any way. I just want it as a record for the work that I'm doing. And that means that I'm going to go a little crazy with the types of things that I'm going to put up. So I will have writing sessions, so you can write with me if you'd like. Writing thoughts sessions where I'll talk a little bit about what I'm learning from Lonesome Dove as I go through this process. I'll have probably some grammar videos because I really like doing those and they're just fun for me to put them together. I'll probably do some music. I'll probably do some art, as well as showing some pieces of improvements to my studio as I move through this work. I may even show some productivity hacks because that's also something that I really like to think about and do. So the channel will be all over the place, and I'll look forward to having you along if that's something that sounds like it's of interest to you. At some point, I'll probably do a little tour of the studio space, but this right here is my workspace where I work really just on writing some pieces of design that I will work on as well. But I've got a big art space in the space as well. So look forward to having you along for all of that.